Here's a question that burns in the minds of millions. Why is my Mac running so slow? There are 5 reasons and a few ways to fix them. Here is how you can get your Mac in shape again. So, what causes your originally lightning-fast Mac to slow down over time? First, lack of free hard drive space. Second, lack of RAM. Third, outdated operating system and applications. Fourth, too many startup items. And fifth, old hardware. The best place to start is to get rid of stuff that clutters your hard drive. Old large files and unused apps, internet and mail downloads, photo and music duplicates, and, of course, system junk data like cache, logs, residual files, and so on. Next, close down all apps that are running unused in the background and review the list of startup items. Then, update macOS and remaining applications to the latest versions. If you've got a spare buck that you want to invest in your Mac, replace your hard disk drive with an SSD and upgrade your RAM. But keep in mind, nothing beats a thorough Mac cleanup. That's where specialized cleaning apps come in. They eliminate most reasons for system slowdowns and squeeze an extra bit of performance out of your Mac. Save time and effort. Take advantage of the professional cleaning app to make your Mac fly like new again.